Hello, welcome to this video. We have this neat little question where they want us to show that 8 over root 2 equals 4 multiplied by root 2. There's a technique we're going to use which eliminates the surge in the denominator. You may call it a radical depending where you are in the world. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. I'm Sally. I'm a fully qualified teacher and I'm the founder of Learn Page by Page. You'll hear from my accent. I am from the UK, but I do also teach international students, particularly those in the US, so I will cover both curriculums and terminology. I hope you find the video really interesting and helpful. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe because that would really help the channel. Okay, so let's dive straight in. So we're going to get rid of that root 2, and the way we do that is we're going to multiply the denominator and the numerator by root 2. We multiply root 2 over root 2. 8 multiplied by root 2, that gives us 8 root 2. Just to clarify, there is an invisible multiplication sign in between those two. Don't usually put it in, but it is there. And then denominators, root 2 multiplied by root 2. That gets rid of the root and we just end up with 2. So what do we have? Well, we have 8 root 2 divided by 2. And so now we can simplify our numbers and we're looking for a common factor which will divide into both number terms. We've got an 8 here and a 2 here, and common factor of 8 and 2 is 2. So how many 2's go into the 8? Well, there will be 4 of them. And then how many 2's go into the 2? There's 1. And there we've proven that 8 over root 2 can be written as 4 root 2. Let's do a little trickier one together. We've got 5 over 9 times root 10, and we've got to show that that will equal root 10 over 18. So the whole purpose is getting rid of the surd, the radical in the denominator. Okay, so we have 5 over 9 root 10. We want to lose this root 10, so we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 10. Root 10 at the top multiplied by root 10 at the bottom. That gives us 5 multiplied by root 10 is 5 root 10. And then we have 9. And down here, well, we know there's an invisible multiplication sign in between those two. So there we have 9 multiplied by root 10 multiplied by another root 10. And as root 10 multiplied by root 10 equals 10, that means we've got 9 multiplied by 10, which would give us 90. If we look at where it fully simplifies to, it simplifies to root 10 over 18. So we have the numbers. We've got 5 multiplied by root 10 over 90. Common factor of 5 and 90 is 5. So 5's into 5 go once, and into 90 go the 18 that we wanted. And there it is. There are some more advanced skills with rationalizing the denominator when it comes to surds. So I will pop another video up. I hope that helped. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.